This afternoon we're at Murphy's Logistics, and as stipulated on the job sheet, we are conducting lab-based urine collect only, no breath testing today. So we have our donor with us, and I have established his identity. I have very accurately documented the information from his driver's license onto the chain of custody. Michael has not declared any medication, and he has also signed off and dated on consenting to going ahead with the test. So we are not conducting breath testing. I'm going to put a line through that. Michael, okay, I'm going to get you to please choose one of the cups for our urine collect. Fantastic, thank you. All you need to get to on here is just up above the temperature strip there.
Okay, sure.
Okay. So prior to going to the bathroom with Michael for the urine collection, I have instructed him to empty his pockets and leave everything in the testing room as per NADA requirement. I've also given him the correct instruction for not flushing the toilet, washing hands, etc., etc. And now we are back in the testing room. So thank you, Michael. I'm just going to document the temperature that I have read within 4 minutes. Right, and the colour. There is no device to fill in on the chain of custody because we're not using a device, we're using a collection system. We're not using, we're putting a line through the creatinine check in the cup because we're not using one of the testing cups. We're using the Intex CR. So the first thing I'm going to do, or the next thing I'm going to do now, is do a creatinine check. Did you have any questions, Michael?
Yeah, what's creatinine?
I'm just going to decanter a little bit into the lid, Michael, because it is in the NADA standard that we can't dip this stick into the actual urine container, just in case of contamination. Okay, and your creatinine level is normal. Just discard that and document the result. I've already documented on our chain of custody the lot number and expiry date. Okay, Michael, can you please choose one of the urine split kits? This is what I'm going to take the sample up in to send to the lab for analysis. Right, thank you very much. These down on the desk, onto the mat. I just start completing the seals. Double checking my information is correct, and of course that the collection time is documented on each of the seals. Okay. Now, split your sample into 3. Perfect. And discard the evacuate straw into the sharps container, and now just discard the cup and the gloves. In a moment, Michael, I'm going to get you to please check these integrity seals. Ensure that all of the information is correct on each of them, and pop your initials in the donor initial section just there.
Okay.
Wonderful, thank you. And this one. And last but not least, one. Put the barcode on our chain of custody. Thank you, Michael. Barcodes on, again, on each of the vials, ensuring that none of the information on the integrity seals is covered. Going to pop a barcode onto our data running sheet, onto our transport chain of custody, and the remainder of the barcodes. Again, go into the front pocket of the biohazard bag. Each of the vials into the biohazard bag. I'm going to write on my chain of custody, this is lab-based testing, so I'm going to mark that box. And then complete the rest of the chain of custody. Okay. All right, Michael. No breath testing was done today. That here is just a description of your sample. That's indicating that your sample is going to the lab for analysis at the laboratory. I'll get you to pop your signature, please, on the yellow shading along with the date. Excellent, thank you. I'll give you a copy. That is yours. Pop that into the front pocket, and again, we're going to pop our samples into the esky that we will seal off at the end of the testing session. Michael, you're free to go.
Thank you, Golly.
Thank you very much. Lovely to meet you. Okay, ensure that, again, at the end of the testing session, that your transport chain of custody, section A, is completed. Any other relevant paperwork, have your job sheet signed off on. Make sure you tidy up your desk and remove your rubbish.